In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. So what you want to do is open up your Facebook app. From there, go to the menu, and then from there, go to settings and privacy, and you will see an option dark mode. Now, if you want to turn it on, just click on and your Facebook will now be in dark mode. If you click on system, that means that they'll adjust your appearance based on your device's settings. So if at the moment I don't have dark mode, Facebook won't be in dark mode. But if I have it, then Facebook will be in dark mode. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and if this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.